Mustaches are important.
Hey guys, Nathan Cicio Performance. We're out here at Street Car Takeover. This is one of those events that we really enjoy coming to. It's very different than some of the other industry events that we go to. It's not as car specific. There's not just a ton of GTRs or a ton of Supras or a ton of V10s. It's a very different feel of an event, and honestly, it's awesome. And the guys do just an awesome job putting it on. I mean, just the cars run through the lanes quickly and it's very organized, it's really fun. So Street Car Takeover, if they come to your area, you gotta go check it out. Even as a spectator or if you're taking to run your car, you gotta check it out. It's just a real quick, it's kind of a two-day event, Friday, Saturday, roll racing is Friday, then one round of drag racing Friday night, and then drag racing through Saturday, no racing on Sunday. So what we did is we brought the shop Corvette with some of the new turbo kit upgrades and big news on that car, which we'll do a full video on when we get back to the shop, which I'm very excited about. We bought the 911, which Lindsay drove, the R8, which is exciting because we just got the transmission back in that car from the Texas half mile. And then we brought Jan's car, Jan's drag racing and roll racing. A couple of customers from the North shop, just because we're in Charlotte, so it's a little closer to the North shop. And just out here having a great time.
Morning, sunshine. Say something. How was your drive? A to B. I hate you so much. That's it. All right, no more yawn for the rest of the video. Good morning, David. I got you on cameras. You ready for today?
Yeah.
Are we roll racing today or drag racing? Roll racing, all right.
What's up, Keyshawn?
What's going on, my man?
So, from my understanding, this is your first real drag race event ever.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely. First time out at a racetrack. First drag event to watch in person. First time you ever participate in a roll race event. First time driving on the track. So first time for everything.
Oh man, that's just amazing. I got a couple questions for you.
Absolutely.
So, this is a brand new build, a C800 GTR that was just finished up by the North Shop.
Correct.
How did you hear about us?
I heard about you guys. See you guys on YouTube for many years. Obviously, you guys have advertisement everywhere, which is great. You guys, word of mouth. A lot of folks I know have Cicio stickers on their car, so that deems the question, why Cicio? The reliability for you guys, the support. You guys show up to these events, not just talking and building the car, go out there and run it. You guys are actually here, and the fact that the work you guys do speaks for itself. I drove it from Inwood, West Virginia, all the way down here.
How many hours was that?
About 7 hours.
Damn.
One direction, on a fresh build. Just picked the car up. So I picked the car up from the North location in Chesapeake, Virginia. Drove it back up to Inwood, which is about 4.5 hours. Then drove it another 7 hours down here the very next day.
I got you early enough in the day where you can't even escape this.
I can't even get out of it. Every time.
John Cortell, everybody. He loves cameras. Morning, Cicio. This is the real Cicio Performance power right here.
Right now, we are going to start with roll racing qualifying.
did five roll races. Car had no issues, ran consistent, and that's all you can ask for.
Except for the fact that the guy who tuned your car came out here from
Yes.
Georgia to come out here and beat you for some reason.
Yes, he did. And you know what? He did. He beat me, but you know what?
That
What
race was
better,
so dang close.
very close, and what better person to beat me? It was a really close race. It was fun. Honestly, I was here to have fun. The fact that I went some rounds in the roll race, I mean, I was more than happy with that, and I feel like I got my experience. So I feel like come next time, we'll be a little bit prepared, a little bit better, ready for the event, for the race, and hopefully have just as good as time as I did this time.
Yeah, you shook the jitters today. You got all that nerves out.
Yes.
You got to roll race for a day, break it in, understand the car.
Absolutely.
And today we just got to hang out with you and just chill, honestly, get to know
Yes.
you. It's been awesome, Keyshawn.
Yes, awesome what you guys do. Everyone here, I mean, the hospitality, if anyone's looking for a reliable build, great power, Cicio Performance are the people to go to.
Thank you so much, Keyshawn.
Absolutely, you're welcome.
We can't wait to keep supporting the car.
Yeah.
Taylor, you ready to do some driving?
I'm ready.
Wearing the freaking 911 shirt, ready to go race the 911. How you feeling about it?
Great.
Show your time. Yeah, baby. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yay. So that was last round of qualifying. All we have next is eliminations, and so we're gonna get all that. It's gonna be pretty awesome.
Eliminated.
So just a real quick review, catch up. The 911 Lindsay drove in a females class. It's the first time she's ever drag raced that car. She had a blast. She went like 4 or 5 rounds. Really had a good time. I think it was 960, I believe, at 149 or somewhere in the neighborhood, which is really close to the personal best in that car, which I think is a 950 or a high 940s. I don't know, don't quote me. Taylor would be able to tell you. Speaking of Taylor, we brought Taylor. Taylor brought his car. A couple of my staff actually brought their cars out here. Taylor beat one of the customers, okay? Can you believe that? He like tuned the customer's GTR, gets in his Corvette, purges some NOS, and beats him. What a jerk. What a jerk. Anyway, customer took it really well. Anyway, some tomfoolery, down. I don't think that really happened. Anywho, Jan's car, I think it went 770, 182 or something like that. One of the faster passes that's done in a little while, which is exciting. And it is hot out here too. I mean, it is literally, I think, a 90-something degrees and it's hot. The shop R8, we got it here, had a boost leak. Didn't know it when we left the shop. So I spent the entire day, night last night, with a couple of the technicians, and we just ripped the intake manifold off the car, resealed everything all back up, put it all back together, and just got to run our first pass, which is super exciting. Went 880, we turned it down, went 880s. We just wanted to get down the track at 165. So there's only 2 people in the DCT class that I'm in the R8. It's me and Omar. Omar is from Titan, Rob from Rob Tunes his car, and then it's got a Titan built motor that they just did, and they're out here running it for the first time. So he was on a shakedown pass, and I had just like run the thing for the first time after the boost leak, so I convinced them to let us do a grudge match and then do a finals, because there's only like 2 of us. It's just the final. Oh, I made it to the finals. So anyway, if I lose the race, at least I get to do a video and tell everybody I made it to the finals. And then I'm going to delete this part of this video so that nobody knows there was only 2 cars and that there was no way to not make it to the finals. Anyway, we're out here having a good time. Again, Street Car Takeover, just a great event. Really excited to run the R8 again, get you guys some video and some information about that. That car being back together is super exciting to me. Lindsay had an awesome time. Taylor, I think, made it to the semis in the roll racing. He wasn't drag racing in his Corvette. Oh, I was driving the C8 and I beat Andrew. My salesman, he brought his car out. He's freaking, not double clutching like he should. Missed a gear, granny shifting, and I'm over here grabbing gears and chirping Brodies. I mean, grabbing gears and chirping Brodies, I just freaking rode my gears. I mean, pulled my paddle right by him. And I smoked him. I won. Yeah, poor Andrew. That's okay. Anyway, so thank you for keeping up with us. You guys will enjoy the rest of the video and the rest of the stuff. I know the guys have gotten tons and tons of media. We'll just be able to pop it out there over the course of the next few weeks. So, all right, till next time. Talk to you later.